In an SHTF situation where you don't want to give away your location, managing how much smoke your fire emits can be just as important as the warmth it provides. You need fire to cook food and to boil water, but you may need to keep that fire from becoming a beacon for everyone in the area. So here's how you can keep your fires as discreet as possible, reducing the risk of unwanted attention. Use dry, seasoned wood. Wet or green wood tends to smoke a lot because it's still full of moisture. Using wood that has been dried and seasoned for at least 6 months, but preferably longer, will burn cleaner and produce much less smoke. Opt for hardwoods. Hardwoods like oak and maple not only burn longer, but they also smoke less than softwoods like pine. This is because softwoods have more sap and resin, which contribute to more smoke when burned. Keep the fire small. A smaller fire is easier to control and naturally produces less smoke. This helps in maintaining a low profile, as a large blaze can be visible and smoky from a distance. Maintain good airflow. Proper airflow is crucial for efficient burning. Arrange your wood so that air can circulate freely around it. This will help the wood to burn completely and reduce smoke. Use a chimney fire pit. Some fire pits can come with a chimney or are designed to reduce smoke, like the chimenea. These can be effective in funneling smoke upward and dispersing it more subtly. Remove excess debris. Before lighting your fire, make sure to clear away any leaves, twigs, or other debris. This not only reduces smoke, it also minimizes the chances of a fire spreading. Don't overload. Putting too much wood into your fire at once can smother it and cause a lot of smoke. Add your wood gradually and allow it to catch properly. Burn at higher temperatures. A hotter fire burns more completely and produces less smoke. Once your fire is going, maintain its intensity for efficient, low smoke burning. Create a Dakota smokeless fire hole. For the ultimate in stealth fires, consider the Dakota fire hole. This method involves digging a hole in the ground where your fire will be less visible and produce less smoke, making it ideal for staying unnoticed. I'll be going over details on how to construct this type of fire in a follow-up video, I am sure. Staying low profile in an SHTF scenario can be crucial, and managing your fire's visibility and smoke output is a key part of this. By following these tips, you can keep warm and cook food while minimizing the risk of detection.